the Motor City branch of Pickl. It's the burger outlet's sixth restaurant in the city, and I'm joined by founder Steve Flowers. Now, what are you going to make for us today?
So today I'm going to make our famous Nashville chicken sando.
So this is something you do in-house.
The idea is that it is fresh fast food, so everything we do is cooked fresh to order. We make everything ourselves, it's all our own recipes.
Okay, let's see how it's done.
Let's go. It's all about the quality of the chicken. So this is fresh chicken, hormone-free, antibiotic-free.
And you said it's been brined.
Yeah, that's it. So we brine it in a liquid brine, and then we flip it into our flour mix.
So what's inside this flour mix?
I can't really tell you, it's a bit of a secret, but we flip it into the flour mix first of all, which just dries the chicken off, and it allows the next step where we pop it into the buttermilk. So this is creating the coating for the chicken. And what we want to look for on the chicken is these little nodules. And this is caused by the buttermilk in the chicken. So we actually get some of the buttermilk in the morning and put it into the flour.
So is that a trade secret?
Yeah, well, you know it now.
I guess these nodules, that's when you're eating the burger and you take that bite and you have a nice, satisfying, juicy crunch. It's
That's
those bits
that's
that are
the
making
flavour.
it.
So then drop it into your oil. Always drop your chicken away so you don't splash oil onto yourself.
Okay.
And now we set that for 5 minutes.
Now in this city, there is a burger joint on every corner. So what are you guys doing that's different?
We were able to come into the market and offer a fresher quality product at a lower affordable price point. But also one of the keys was consistency. We're able to offer that consistently across the city in every single branch.
Tell us where this idea for Pickl came from.
The F&B dining scene here is incredible, but we felt there was a gap in the market that was about creating amazing food, but also creating a lifestyle brand and how we could extend that into people's homes. The next step is the Nashville chicken process. So we take the chicken, we dip it into this oil spice mix.
Steve, this looks really spicy.
You'll be fine, you'll be fine. It's like creating a second sauce around the chicken. So then we have our Nashville spice mix and we just dust it over and it kind of adheres to that oil spice that we had before.
And what's in that sauce?
12 different spices. We get the chilies in fresh, we dry them out for 72 hours,
Wow.
and then we grind them down to kind of different levels. So now the assembly part, this is where I can lose the gloves. So you've got this amazing red, juicy chicken.
It's so red, the colour is really stuck to it.
And then we've got our homemade pickles, shredded lettuce for that freshness. And then this is our kind of signature comeback sauce.
What does that mean?
It means it's so good you want to come back for more.
And what's in the comeback sauce? Come on. What's
It's
in it?
mayonnaise based, kind of smokiness with some paprika. We use some of the pickling liquid as well. And then that's our chicken sando.
We have the sando, we're gonna get the rest of the meal and I can get a taste.
Yeah, let's do it. So this is our kind of upgraded milkshake. It has whipped cream and Oreos and sauce on there as well.
Okay, now, for a bite of this chicken. Amazing. It's spicy, but it's delicious. Like, I can see why it's so popular. Thank you.
Thank you.